Mishka, do you love leftovers? No? You don't love leftovers? Are you sure, Mishka? You love leftovers? Is that why you hang out by the high chair? Is that why? What about you, Laika? You like leftovers too? Well, you know, you shouldn't eat the baby's food. Rowan, do they eat your food? Oh, you're guilty. You're guilty. No? Rowan, do they eat your food? Yeah? Subscribe. Good girl. Good girl.